Yeah, we got the bathroom wall panel on. All of the hinges gotta go on the door, and I'm replacing them with some nice stainless steel screws. Let's get it on there! Door is hung. Check that out. Just trying to tidy up some of the paint on the edge here and keep her rolling. Picked up this seal. Hopefully this will be small enough to fit. We've got the door off. You're looking at the bottom of the door. I got it upside down, and there's a tendency to kind of kick the bottom of this door when you're getting in the bathroom. My plan is, you can see that it was kicked before and it started peeling the lamination. So I'm going to sand and scuff this up. I did paint it obviously, and then we're going to use some JB Weld epoxy. And I'm just thinking about just throwing a bead on here and just maybe, you know, stiffen it a bit. Sealed the edges with silicone. That screw is a little hard going in. I rubbed the threads with wax on a candle and drilled out the 1/16 of an inch a little bit like deeper. Brass screws easily snapped in the project. So you don't, as soon as you feel a lot of friction on a brass screw, you gotta quit. Okay, one's in, 3 to go. Got all the tape up, mid silicone, mid caulking. Little trick: use Windex. Wet your finger with Windex. When you smooth out the silicone, it doesn't stick to your finger. Alright, I'm looking for 1/2 inch or 3/8 width painter's tape. Can't find any. So here's the method. Got that clamped on there right there. There's your 3/8 tape right there, buddy. 30 seconds shy of 3/8. Boom. For all of you wondering what the heck I needed 3/8 width tape for, it's because I need to tape off both edges for the silicone. So I needed a gap in the middle. Got it all taped up. Oh my goodness. Ready for silicone. Finally got the bathroom pretty much complete. Okay, This is obviously the outside of the door, unpainted, sanded down, ready to go. Let's take a look. So the first thing, this is all painted. If you're following, you know this. All painted with the boat paint. We have the seals in here, silicone. Stainless steel screws on the inside, the original latch from the camper. It even has a lock on it. So here's the inside of this thing. The completed painted edges here. All silicone. All silicone. Every corner here. Got the toilet in. Plastic on there still. Got the lines coming out with the valve in case, you know, you got to turn it off in case it leaks or something. The only thing is we got to clean the spray paint off the walls, but whatever. All the joints here, silicone up. Use clear silicone around the chrome grommets, or you know, yeah, grommets. Got this done where the fix. Got the shower head. Just got the line looped around it because it's really long. Got the handles. I wish I had a fisheye lens. And there's your counter. This allows enough room to still take it off to use it that way. Oh, there it is down. So there you go. There's the length of it down. But, you know, we'll keep it looped or something. There is the window framing. Like I said, I siliconed every single seam. This area was tricky up here with all the corners, but I got it done. It's got a magic eraser, some of the walls to clean them up, and pretty much done. On the inside of the door, we will be installing temporary shower curtain, you know, waterproof, that'll just be on either suction cups or little hooks of some sort that you just put up to cover the door area when you're showering only, because it'll be tough to seal that the way it is. So that's going to be the fix there. So there you have it, boys and girls. Before no time, you'll be pooping and showering at the same time. Yeah.